Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to lock a chat in WhatsApp so that only you can open it. This particular tutorial is perfect if you want to keep your personal and your sensitive conversations private. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your WhatsApp mobile application on your phone. Make sure that it is updated to the latest version. After that, you need to open the conversation with the person, something like this. Now, once you are inside your chat, simply tap on the chat name here in the top in order to come here on this page. Over here, you need to simply scroll down and try to find the option of chat lock. As you can see over here that I have the chat lock option available. So you need to turn on this chat lock option and then press continue. After that you need to provide your fingerprints and it will say that this chat is locked. So once it is logged successfully, the chat will move to a logged chat folder on the top of your chats list. You will need to have your fingerprints or your face ID, whichever you have enabled it over here in order to open it. And this way you will be able to lock any WhatsApp chat in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can let me know that in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you never miss any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.